Hello everyone, I am Sarita Pamnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. Before we start the new letter, let's revise the previous one. Which letter is this? Letter S. Letter S. The sound of letter S is S. And the action of letter S is okay. Now let's start the second letter of first group, letter A. Letter A. Let's start with a short story. There was a little girl whose name was Annie. She climbed up on an apple tree and suddenly an ant bit her. She rubbed her arm and she started shouting, "Something is tickling me, something is tickling me." And she said, answer my arms, answer my arms. Yes, the sound of letter A is The sound of letter A is and the action of letter A is Now let's see how to write letter A. Letter A. Letter A. Letter A. Letter A. Okay. At this stage, no words can be read as children have been taught only two letters S and A. But we can listen the words corresponding to the picture. Okay. What's this? Spider. Cobweb. But it is not related to letter A. So we cross out the picture. Okay. What's this? Apple. Apple. What's this? Ant. Ant. What's this? Arrow. Arrow. Okay. Let's do blending. S. A. Okay. Now let's sing a song. Answer my arms. Answer my arms. Answer my arms. They are causing me alarm. So that's all for today. See you in my next video with another letter. Till then, bye.